And so today, guys, I want to tell you a story, the sad story about Section 8. And then I'm going to show y'all some Section 8 apartments and houses in Los Angeles. Well, hey, boss up babies. Have you guys bossed up today? If you haven't bossed up today, then what are you doing? We're the boss up babies around here. We get it in and we get it done. Yes, we do. Hello, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Mama Cutie Finance. I am a college professor, but here on YouTube, I help you guys boss up in your daily life by giving you side hustle ideas so you can make that extra money, honey. Also, guys, I give you guys house tours and I give you updates on Section 8. If you guys don't mind, go ahead and hit that like button so YouTube can send out my video to people who are wanting to know about Section 8. So, guys, I know that you guys love Section 8 on my channel. So, what I did, guys, what I'm going to start doing for you guys, I'm going to start searching for all, well, actually not searching, but because I already have the information. I pay for a service and they actually give me the listings of all the places that have Section 8, like all the Section 8 rentals. I'm going to actually tell y'all who I get the listing from later on in this video. But guys, if you don't know what Section 8 is, Section 8 is a subsidized housing program that's furnished by the government. If you meet the requirements of low income, you guys have a possibility of qualifying for Section 8 and the government will help you with your rent. And so today, guys, I want to tell you a story, the sad story about Section 8. And then I'm going to show y'all some Section 8 apartments and houses in Los Angeles. So I figured for this channel, I'm going to just get all the little Section 8 properties that I have and just show y'all in each city. So if you want to comment down below what state that you want me to cover, go ahead and tell me your state and I'll see if I can find some Section 8. This is a sad story I want to share with you before I start showing y'all the properties in Los Angeles. This guy, he was a young dude. He was going to school, trying to make a living for himself, and he was working. So his mom had got sick. And so he went to go and see his mom. Y'all don't worry about my kids in the back. He went to go to visit his mom. So he took off from his job. And, he took a little break from school. Not that big of a break from school, but just a little break from school to go visit his mom because his mom was not going to make it that long. And so he went to go visit his mom. And when he was down there, his job fired him. His job just let him go. And so then he was, so distressed out, he barely could make it because his mom ended up passing away, unfortunately. So he went back to the place he was. He didn't have a job. He couldn't get a job. He was still going to school, and so he was struggling. He ended up sleeping on the streets because he did not have any place to go. But eventually, he got on Section 8. So it was a great time because he got accepted on Section 8 because he met all the qualifications. So guys, after having Section 8 voucher for, I would say, 2 weeks, a month, he still could not find a place to stay. And that's what's going on now. People just can't find a place to stay. They just cannot find a place to stay on Section 8 because these people because the rental property agencies, they don't want to deal with people on Section 8. They don't want to. So it's hard to find a place to stay on Section 8. So I'm trying to grow my YouTube. So Mama Cutie gonna do her research. I did my research and I was looking on the internet who had the Section 8 houses. And y'all, I have found a company that has all the Section 8 houses. They say they got them in all 50 states. And all I do is just pay a little small fee. I think I paid like $30 or something like that, like I had told y'all. And I pay like $5 a month. And I'm able to have access to all the Section 8 properties for all 50 states. So I'm going to be bringing that to y'all. Today we're going to be talking about Los Angeles. But yeah, that's the story. So let's get on into these apartments and houses that I'm going to show y'all in Los Angeles. Whatever other state y'all want me to cover, just put in the comments. But yeah, guys, I'm wearing my hair today. Y'all see that? I got my hang time. I got sister locks, y'all. Y'all probably don't know how sister locks, but these are my sister locks. And this your girl hang time. Y'all see how long they are? Look how long they are. They're super long, aren't they? I think y'all saw that. But anyways, guys, let's get started. Okay, boss up babies. All the purple dots are the housing apartments available in Los Angeles. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm getting ready to show y'all. The outside looks really, really nice. It's a really pretty house. It's a 2-story. This is the back side of it, so that way y'all can see the driveway. When you walk in, you see the door right there. This is a nice big size kitchen. I love the kitchen. It's really, really, really big. And this is just the side of the upstairs that you go up to. And this is another view of the house. Now this right here is a different house right here. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Ooh, I love this white kitchen, y'all. I love white kitchens. This is just to show you the front again that I got here. Another part of the kitchen that I'm showing y'all. These are the floors, the walls, really nice. This house was really kept. That's the kitchen window. This is just a dining room right here. It's really nice. This is a bedroom. But yeah, so let's move on. So this right here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. As you can see, this is the nice fireplace. I love the fireplace, love the white walls, really clean look. This is another angle of the house. This is a different angle of the living room. This is the foyer. This is the bedroom right here, guys. And this is the bathroom. I like the bathroom. This is another part of the kitchen. And this is just the house again. And I'm going to show y'all one more. This right here is 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Big size house right here. So you can see this is the kitchen. That's the upstairs. You go upstairs, and what do we have here? There's a bedroom. It don't have central air, don't look like it. That's a part of the kitchen. It does have a fireplace though. And so that's the outside. This is the apartment, as y'all can see. This right here is I think this is a trailer. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath right here. This is what it looks like on the outside. This is the inside. Actually, it's really nice in the inside if you look at it, guys. These are the bedrooms that I'm showing y'all right now. They got nice hardwood floors. That's really nice. There's a room with carpet. And so this is another bedroom right here. And this is another bedroom right here. So it has several bedrooms. There's a kitchen. The backsplash looks okay. You can see the backsplash everywhere around the house. This is another bathroom right here that it has. This is the tub. But yeah, so far, guys, I'm enjoying these houses. This is another one, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. This is the bathroom. That's what it looks like again outside. Let's see. This is the bathroom I'm showing y'all again. And this is a bedroom that we're looking at right here. And this is the part of the kitchen. This one, so this is a 2-bedroom, 2 bath that we're looking at right here. And this is the room to it, guys. And this is another room to it. It kind of looks similar to the other house, but it's a different house, guys. As you can see, this is the same clip right here. This is a part of the kitchen. This is the carpet. It's dark, so, I mean, dark carpet don't get as dirty. It's a nice little hallway. That's the bathroom. And this is another house right here, 3-bedroom, 1 bath. You can see the stairs right here that you can go up to. Little towel. I love the color gray. It's really nice. And that's a bedroom that we're looking at. That's another bedroom right there. And this is another bedroom. Love the windows right here, y'all. Love all these windows. This is the living room, actually. And this is another bedroom that we're looking at right here. So it's 2 bedrooms, like I said, in this place right here that we're looking at. And this is the bathroom. And so what else does this place have? Oh, wow. Look at the big living room, guys. Look at all the doors when you walk in right here. And this is another bathroom that it has. And this is the kitchen. The kitchen again. And this is another house, guys. I think I forgot to put the bedrooms and stuff in this house, but you can see all the bedrooms. This house is pretty big. Okay, boss up babies, I forgot to give y'all the website where I got all the housing from. I went to Section 8 housingforrent.com. So y'all go ahead on and check that website, and hopefully it can help you, because it's helping me help you. That I helped you, so make sure that you share this video, like this video, comment what cities y'all want to see next with Section 8. Until then, I want y'all to boss up and stay prayed up, baby. And also, guys, don't forget to watch my side hustle videos, because I do come out with side hustle videos too, because you never know when Section 8 gonna be over with. So y'all need to get them side hustles on. Go watch all my side hustle videos, because I give y'all some good ideas on how to make that extra money, honey.